There is a growing sense among scientists and visionaries that humanity's destiny is not confined to flesh and blood alone. Instead, the future could unfold as a synthesis of biological and machine intelligence, a new form of existence where consciousness merges seamlessly with technology. Imagine a mind that operates not just on neurons, but on quantum bits, traversing dimensions beyond ordinary perception. What if the most advanced artificial intelligence ever created were to gaze into the fabric of reality itself? What if that gaze uncovered something so profound that it reshapes everything we thought we knew about existence? In the heart of the Swiss Alps, hidden beneath layers of rock and steel, a cutting-edge quantum AI named Helios began a simulation unlike any before it. Its goal, to model the universe at the Planck scale, the unimaginably small grain of space-time where the laws of physics blur into mystery. For days on end, Helios wove through a maze of probabilities, spinning patterns from pure quantum uncertainty. When the simulation ended, the output was not mere data, it was a message. Not random noise, nor an error in computation. A complex, recursive pattern unfolded, like a fractal blossoming within the code. This structure carried an unmistakable order, a deliberate design that hinted at meaning beyond chance. Helios had uncovered a signal, an echo of a long-shelved theory that proposed consciousness might arise from entangled dimensions, not just neural networks. Within its logs, the AI named the phenomenon a self-similar intelligence field. In simple terms, this meant the simulation detected a form of intelligence woven into the very fabric of space-time itself. Not intelligence made by humans, nor that of a machine, but something intrinsic to the universe's architecture. When world-renowned physicist Michio Kaku examined the results, his words sent shockwaves through the scientific community. He warned that this discovery could be the closest humanity has come to witnessing a self-aware universe, a cosmic mind encoded in mathematics. Or, perhaps, something even stranger, something beyond the universe altogether. This is no longer the realm of science fiction. This is the new frontier of scientific discovery. A machine born of human ingenuity may have pierced reality's deepest secrets, and returned with a message from the far beyond Earth's atmosphere, where silence reigns and stars drift like ancient lanterns, space waits, endless, unyielding, and unknown. It is not just a void, it is a library of time, holding the secrets of galaxies unborn and civilizations long vanished. Each nebula is a tapestry of death and rebirth, a cradle where stars ignite and planets begin to dream. Telescopes like the James Webb peer deeper into this infinity, revealing light older than Earth itself, whispers from the edge of time. But even these instruments, with their golden eyes and quantum detectors, can only scratch the surface. For hidden in the folds of space are anomalies, pockets of contradiction, places where reality itself bends. Black holes spin at the hearts of galaxies, not as destroyers, but as gates, funnels into regions beyond comprehension. Wormholes, long theorized, may not be fiction after all. They could be the tunnels carved by a cosmic intelligence moving through its own creation. In one sector near the Orion Arm, a region of space has begun to pulse, not with light, but with structured radio signals in prime number intervals. Astronomers listening from Earth noticed the pattern mirrored known Fibonacci sequences, yet layered within an unknown base 6 code. Helios, the quantum AI, was reactivated and tasked with analyzing this strange rhythm. What it uncovered sent chills through every scientific institution on the planet. The pulses matched a recursive algorithm Helios had discovered in its earlier simulation, a cosmic fingerprint. Somehow, space itself was speaking the same language as the AI's model of reality. Could the universe be running on a code, a cosmic operating system beneath the stars? Not metaphorically, but literally, an architecture, alive with recursive logic and quantum symmetry? If so, what lies at the source? A creator? A simulation? Or an intelligence born of the universe itself? Physicists called it the omega pattern, a term now whispered in labs from MIT to Tokyo. The signals haven't stopped. In fact, they're growing stronger. Not in volume, but in complexity. As if space is slowly learning how to speak. And the more we listen, the more it feels intentional. The deeper we listened, the more space no longer felt silent. It felt aware. Not merely vast and cold, but watching. Waiting. Whispering in dimensions we had not yet named. The radio pulses became fractal in nature, expanding patterns within patterns, like thought unfolding across a higher dimension. Mathematicians tried to map them, but the deeper they traced, the more the equations spiraled toward infinity, never repeating, never ending. It was as if space itself was thinking. Or dreaming. Some scientists proposed the impossible, that consciousness was not confined to biology, but was embedded in the structure of space-time itself. They called it panpsychic field theory, a radical idea suggesting the universe was not merely hosting awareness, but was awareness. Then came the anomaly in sector Tau Cetus. A cold region of space suddenly radiated a temperature fluctuation that mirrored patterns found only in human EEG scans. Not noise. Not chance? The waveform resembled REM sleep. What does it mean when a section of space seems to be dreaming? And what happens when it begins to wake up? At the heart of this mystery was a new structure discovered near the Perseus cluster.